It depends on if his channel's all about teaching, you know.
Oh, okay.
So I just tend to go after the high traffic specific videos. So you can go to his channel, go to the videos, rank by views,
Oh,
you know,
okay.
and see which are his high traffic ones. And you could do it that way. I mean, you could try both. It's just you just want to be really, really relevant, really, which is kind of your strategy here. Now, placement targeting, I find, like, works really well, but it's just difficult to scale with this. But at this point, you're just laser focused in where you want to advertise to test a bunch of different ads or videos to see what works.
Okay.
So that's kind of a large part of the strategy with this here. But, you know, I keep placement campaigns just ticking along in the background once I've set them up, but we just throw sometimes, like, you know, 100 placements in the one campaign and see, you know, what kind of traffic they get.